YouTube is a video search engine. We look for information here. Presently, AI is well equipped to create any informative videos that you are probably looking for. AI is increasingly integrated in the creator's workflow. So is that the day approaching when AI could potentially eliminate any human involvement to create any videos? In that case, what's the YouTube's future? Let's find out. First, we should establish the fundamentals. The success of a YouTube channel depends on the videos it has published. More precisely, the key to a video's success lies within the 5 core elements, which will be our parameters to compare human-made YouTube videos and AI-generated videos. The career of a video starts with the thumbnail, the title, and the hook at the beginning of the video. The thumbnail and the title have to trigger some kind of human emotions to guide the viewer to land in your video. It can be a surprise, a shock, a curiosity, a fear, an anticipation, or even a sadness. Having been convinced by the thumbnail and the title, the next job is to hook the viewer by further developing the initial emotion with relevant curiosity. When the viewer's click via TTH is secured, the viewer needs to get continuous value throughout the video, which was promised by TTH, so that the viewers stick around until the end, which fits the algorithm in your favor. TTH with emotional elements and value tell us what to deliver. Now it's time to delve into how to deliver. How creatively the requested information is delivered is crucial. Within this context, personalization is also significant, as ultimately the consumers are the humans. So the requested information must be personalized and tailored to the human needs. And finally, repetition of all the 4 aforementioned points, which refers to the timely scalability with consistency. Perfect. We have established the fundamentals of the parameters. In the next chapter, we are going to score the strengths and the weaknesses of the AI-generated videos and human-made videos according to the parameters. Let's brainstorm together. The first parameter is emotional connection. Exactly, this is where humans have the upper hand. Human creators can connect with their audience on an emotional level, sharing their experiences, stories, and personalities, which can lead to a strong viewer loyalty and engagement. AI-generated videos lack the ability to form an emotional connection with their audiences, as they lack emotions, empathy, and the human touch. Consider this: even after listening to the same songs from a singer in a loop, we still buy expensive tickets to go to a concert. Another way to look at this situation is the difference between self-study versus coaching. In this digital era, any information is just a click away from us. We still buy courses to be coached by the humans. The information remains the same. However, the way the information is delivered to us in a human manner, which creates the difference. So, in this segment, it's a clear win for human-made videos. From another perspective, this lack of emotion can also be an advantage for the AI. This argument belongs to the 5th point. We will discuss that later. The second parameter is the value production, thus the overall quality. A part of the value production is proportional to the quality of the information a video shares. In this context, no matter it is human-made or AI-generated videos, the human intention matters the most, as the AI-generated videos are also generated by the prompts inserted by the humans. Thus, the value production by providing the accurate information through their content. But the humans can also make mistakes and misrepresent the information. In the question of value production, the AI videos can be free from human biases to some extent. AI can be highly adaptable in generating videos better and quicker for various niches and purposes, such as listicle videos, how-to or know-how videos. AI tools are ready to tell us how to do something step by step with explicit examples. AI could replace the audio. If a script is given, AI can make the audio version of the script in any voice, including yours. AI can also be helpful to provide auto translations of your video or live streams. A bright example is the ongoing revolution in the audiobook industry. AI is generating audio versions of the books. However, given the presently available AI features, it may struggle to handle more complex and nuanced topics. In this context, the contents created by AI and human always require a vigilant control to ensure it meets the community standards, avoids misinformation, and adheres to the content guidelines. In this parameter, a point can be given to both of them. The third parameter is creativity. Creativity is our turf. Human creators are capable of pushing boundaries, experimenting with new styles and formats, introducing new innovative content that breaks away conventions. On the other hand, AI-generated videos definitely lack the creativity, intuition, and the depth that human creators bring to their content. AI videos rely on algorithm and predefined patterns. AI is formulaic to create the content that adheres to the patterns and the expectations. Hence, it struggles to create something truly innovative or groundbreaking content that challenges the norms. So in this parameter, we should give the marks to the human-made videos. The fourth parameter is personalization, the human touch. At the end of the day, the consumers are the humans. So the product should be tailored and customized to the human need. With regards to the personalization, humans and AI both can personalize, but with different tools. Humans personalize their content in two ways. One, by connecting with the audience on a personal level, and by interpreting the analytics of the channel, while AI has only one tool, that is analytics. AI can generate highly personalized content by tailoring the videos based on the user data and the preferences. This can lead to more relevant recommendations and content for the viewers. Since humans have a couple of tools, whereas the AI has only one tool to personalize their content, so another point goes to human-made videos. The fifth parameter is repetition, the scalability with consistency. Human creators may need more time and resources to produce videos. They might also have limitations in terms of quantity. In relation to the first pointer, the emotion becomes a disadvantage here, because sometimes humans may feel demotivated or unencouraged to make a video, which doesn't affect AI's production. On the contrary, AI can produce content at a rapid speed and scale, making it cost-effective and time-efficient, especially for generating large volumes of videos. So in this parameter, it's a clear win for AI-generated videos. In summary, we can say both AI-generated and human-made videos have their own strengths and weaknesses. AI video excels in terms of efficiency, data-driven personalizations, and scalability, while human-made videos shine in terms of creativity, emotional connection, and the ability to push the creative boundaries. As we could see from the scores, we can say the AI-generated videos are quite there to catch up to the human-made videos, but it's just not yet there. So what I think is the future of online content may involve a blend of these two approaches, where AI tools would be assisting human creators in various aspects of the content creation. Consider this. Both YouTube and Bard are the subsidiaries of Google, so Google may leverage AI for its own operations and to improve the user's experience. They have ability to shape how the AI-generated contents interact with the platform. Ultimately, YouTube's success relies on the preferences of its users. If the users prefer human-made content, then the AI-generated videos may not significantly impact YouTube's business. However, if the AI-generated content aligns more with users' preferences, it could lead to a shift in consumption patterns. If you are curious to know more about consumption patterns and the marketing strategies, you might want to check these episodes. You could find them here, and I will see you there.